So good evening everyone. Very good evening everyone. So let's start today's topic. So first of all I am wishing you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Okay. So let's discuss today on Diwali. आज हम जो डिस्कस करेंगे किसके ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे? दिवाली के ऊपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. ओके. अब दिवाली में कई सारी चीज़ें हमें अच्छी भी करनी होती हैं और कई सारी चीज़ें कई बार क्या हो जाती हैं, गलत भी हमारे साथ हो जाती हैं. ठीक है. तो अब जो हमारा टॉपिक है मेनली दिवाली है. पहले आपको समझाने के लिए अच्छे से कि आपको दिवाली टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो भी डिस्कस करना है, हमारा जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा पूरा इंग्लिश में होगा. ठीक. अब वन बाय वन करके चीज़ें आपको जो क्लियर करनी है. सबसे पहले वाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली. ओके. एंड हाउ वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली. व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली एंड what is the most significance factor about Diwali, and after Diwali what things remaining in our or for our futures. Okay. And so many prosperity, so many wealth, so many happiness we gain on this Diwali or every Diwali. So one by one you will let discuss about Diwali. So who will initiate today? Okay, Pallav, you will discuss, you will initiate today.
So Hindu celebrate many festivals. Diwali is the most important of them, and it is the festival of light. And and on this day, Hindu celebrate Diwali. It is the festival of light, and it come on in October, November. And Lord Ram returned Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, and people clean their house, and they get them white washed. And we should enjoy this festival very much, and we should not play cards, and we should, and on this day we worship the Lakshmi, the goddess. And on this day we go to the market and buy the new clothes, crackers, and sweets, and etc.
Actually we started Diwali preparation some days ago, or not on same day. Actually we bought cloths and just for decorating items and all. Okay. Okay, Harsh, please continue.
So first I am wishing a happy Diwali to everyone, and we celebrate Diwali because today Ramji was come after 14-year exile, and we celebrate we celebrate Diwali because I already told you, and we make our house new, we paint our house, and we buy new clothes, and we give sweets to other persons.
Actually, first we started our preparation from cleanings. Okay. So first we started our preparation from cleanings of our houses and decorating of our houses. After that, so many preparations are going on. Means at the end of Diwali. Basically, Diwali is the 5-day festival, and it is the biggest festival of Hindus. Okay. So Christy.
It is to, as Pallav and Harsh told, so many things about Diwali, and also I'm gonna wish you a happy Diwali in advance. It is one of the most important festival which is celebrated with a lot of joy, and there are so positive vibes around us. The relatives comes, also we exchange sweets to each other, gifts, and also firecrackers. There are so many things, like we also do so many worships, and also as Pallav told of goddess Lakshmi, and god Ganesha is worshipped, and this is the festival of lights, as Harsh told. God Ram came to their house after 14 years, and the villagers light up that Deepak lights, and many things, and enjoyed and made it as a festival.
Natik.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you that Diwali is the most of the famous and Hindu important festival of India. And Ramji comes Ayodhya from 14 years of exile, and is celebrated in two main countries, Nepal and India. Because it is celebrated in Nepal because Sita ji was the resident of Nepal, so there was a celebrated there.
Okay, so I think that as everyone, I am agree with also, as everyone told you about that, why we celebrate Diwali, and what are the ways by which we can celebrate Diwali. So I want to say that I think that it is the most famous festival for for Hindus, and it is celebrated all over the world. And like it is the best for children. Children are mostly like it because children like to burn crackers, but the government is against this because government wants to governments ban the crackers because government tend the like say the crackers pollute the environment, but government but the beacons are also pollute the environment. So why the government why the government is not ban the beacons? But now the beacons are using nowadays, and we are using them day by day, and we are using it daily. But we are burning the crackers only in a day or 1 year. And the fight between India and versus Pakistan or any other countries, like it happened between before some time. The fight between Russia and I think Ukraine was happened. I think that and it like the Russia and Ukraine was using a lots of item like technology, but whenever they blast the bomb into each other country, so I think it also pollute the air. So why government is not focusing on them, but government is only focusing on crackers.
Yes, actually you are right, but we are Indians, so first we are think about our nature first. Okay, Harshit.
Okay, so I agree with all of them, and as we know that in India there is a great vital importance of festivals. As we know that in India every festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm and zeal, because it's only the time when the everyone is full of enthusiasm, and they all are energetic. They have the inspiration to the that we work together, and we will do all the work with unity and happily. As we know that Diwali is a festival of lights, and it is celebrated because the Lord Ram came from his exile after the 14 years.
Who will tell about the 5 days of Diwali? What 5 days we are celebrated? Who will tell about 5 days of Diwali? Veer? Anyone?
So first day Dhanteras, and second day Choti Diwali, third day Badi Diwali, and fourth day Govardhan Puja, and fifth day Bhai Dooj.
So what is the significance of 5 days of Diwali? Anyone told?
Sir, on the first day Dhanteras, we bring new things to our house, just like some people bring utensils, broom, and things that are as significance, or just a symbol of God, just like utensils, broom, as a goddess Lakshmi. And on the second day as Choti Diwali, there are some rituals and worships are performed, and it is celebrated not as the small Diwali. Some people also celebrate Choti Diwali as the big Diwali. And after that the Diwali comes, on which we worship goddess Lakshmi and God Ganesh, and we fire so many firecrackers, blow them, enjoy so much, and we are fully of energies and also positive energies near us. Then comes the Govardhan Puja, on which we worship cow dung, and after that Bhai Dooj comes, on which it is that day of the bond of brothers.
Bond between brothers and sisters. Okay. So Diwali is the major Hindu festival, and everyone waited for Diwali for a long time. Okay. Just like we celebrate Diwali in the month of October and November at the year end. Okay. Whenever our year started, just like from the means if we talk about Hindu month, so it's a Chaitra month. But if we talk about just like January, so our year started from January. But if we talk about our Diwali worship and all, so just we have celebrated so many festivals before Diwali, like Dasera, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan and all. Okay, so our Indian festivals basically related to every god. So means there is so much significance of Diwali. So Veer will continue.
So everyone worships goddess Lakshmi on this day, but Jains also worships God Mahavir, because on this day they get much.
Yes, actually means if we talk about Jainism, there is other theory of just like means at this day means Lord Mahavir get moksha. So we celebrate Diwali as a Lord Mahavira's Lord Mahavira's Mahotsav. Okay, Nirman Utsav. Okay, so who will? Manas.
And it's a time to people whitewash their home, and at before the people burn the earth lamp, but at this time the people get modern, they burn the electric diyas, and sometimes at the time the battery operated diyas are also available in market, so people not bought the earthen lamps, they bought the electric diyas. Why? Because at the diyas there is a problem to fall, and they break it to the pieces.
At the Diwali time, so many poor people means they have a chance to grow their business on Diwali because of they just sell their some handmade items and all.
Diwali is famous in India, but now it is famous all over the world. And it is now before Diwali we are cleaning our houses and decorate our houses. And different religions peoples are worship different gods.
Yes, I am fully agree with all of you, and as we all know that before Diwali the pollution was too much high because of the burning of crackers and because of the bikes, petrol or diesel bikes or cars. So too much pollution is going in is harming our environment because of because of the petrol or diesel vehicles. So by watching this problem, government has already launched the electric vehicles, and I think that in some time the government will find the solution of means of Diwali cracker pollution.
Yes. Pratika.
I am telling about burning crackers are good or not. It is a important topic for all of us. Burning cracker is good, but not too much. Children are burning crackers before Diwali, but in my opinion, it's very dangerous.
Diwali is an important festival of India, and we dress. People put on new dresses, and they greet one at lights, others lights, and they greet, and they lamps, earthen pots, and earthen lamps, and different and electric bulbs and different types of colors. And Ramji returns Ayodhya after exile, after 14 years exile, and we make different types of sweets, and Diwali, and people's they houses cleaners in house.
People keep diya main gates and windows.
Diwali is an important festival of Hindu. It is celebrated all over the world. And Diwali is a festival of lights, and we worship Diwali in every year. Diwali is coming now. We celebrate Diwali every year. And Diwali is coming October and November. Before Diwali, we clean our house and paint our house with different colors.
So my question is that why peasants and farmers are happy means on Diwali?
Sir, I think that it is the occasion on which everyone, poor, rich, everyone is happy, and also the poor ones are so much happy because poor people have a just talent, or we can say their life.
My question is that means why farmers and peasants are happy on Diwali? So actually it's a time for harvest of their new crops, so that's why they are happy more. If they sell their crops, so they have money. Okay, they will get money. Okay. Okay, what will you say?
So should I continue the topic? I was saying that we have talked about the significance, worships or other things about Diwali, but as we should spread the awareness for the firecrackers, just like people are burning firecrackers and having the pollution is happening so much, and on the Diwali it happens much more than normal days, and so many people are just spreading this awareness by the help of social media. You can also just put up some things of some words or some comments like these, so that people can know more about it, or there are also some communities which also help in these things.
On this festival, we spread the positivity and love to the others, because as we know that in India it is popular, but I think that it should be popular in all over the world, because it's the biggest festival, and I guess many of the foreigner celebrate Diwali with facing the Hindu rituals and cultures, and with the with the type of Hindus.
Actually, this is the festival of lights and fire. Okay, so means what precautions have to means keep? Who will say? What precautions have to be keep on Diwali occasion, on Diwali festival?
Sir, the main precautions are that this small children or this younger ones should be aware of just fire blowing the firecrackers, or should not be that much close to the firecrackers, because on the last time also, and so many incidents were happened, and I think that it can also be happened this year. So I think one precaution is that. Second one is that we should check the firecracker that it is working or not from the shopkeeper also, because it is made up of harmful things and harmful for people. We don't know what can happen at any time.
Yes, so many lights and so many firecrackers are in the market at means very cheap cost, or a local ones. So just we have to first try, and just we have to, after that we have to purchase.
And one precaution is also we have to select a place where the hospitals and other things are not near the city, or just like we have to celebrate this outside our homes, or in which the hospitals are not included, because there are so many patients of heart and other also.
Just we don't burn or burst the firecrackers, means they have very loud sound. Okay, yes, Samir.
Okay, so I want to say that I as we all know that we belongs to a good family, and we all have the enough money to celebrate Diwali. But what about the poor pupils? Like there are so many poor kids and children I have seen before celebrating any festival, they beg for money. But I have seen a lots of time that the shopkeepers doesn't give money to them. I think that we should give them money, because it's a festival for all the Indians, and we should celebrate it together. So we should give them money and some clothes and some sweets to them.
So my last question for today's session means, why we celebrate festivals? Why we celebrate festival? Who will tell the answer?
So according to me, we celebrate festivals because it shows our ritual cultures of India and the history behind the India. It also showcases the vibrant culture history behind the day, and it also showcases the vibrant culture and all the things happen in the puja and other all. It also shows that also that India is a big country and it has a great history.
Anyone? Why we celebrate festivals?
I am agree with Harshit, and I also think that it is the day on which these festivals are celebrated, because some are also compulsory and some are just for the protection, and just like we celebrate Holi, and festivals are there because they have some symbol or significance of different gods, just like Diwali of God Ram, and also we celebrate like Ganesh Chaturthi, and these are like festivals, and festivals are there so that we can share our the memories also, for the rituals and other things.
Anyone who will tell about why we celebrate festivals? Kritika? Samyak? Anyone? Okay. So let's we completed this session here. Okay. So goodbye everyone, and I am again wishing you everyone a very happy Diwali.